Welcome back to the Life of Amy June. Today we're setting up for 2026 and I'm walking you through exactly how I reset, reflect, and plan my new year using my Productivity Prism planner. This is how I go from reflecting on last year to setting my goals for the new one, mapping out quarter one, and building my first week of January. So grab your planner or your laptop if you're using the digital version and let's dive right in. Step 1. Reflect on 2025. Before I plan anything new, I always start with reflection. Inside my 2025 reflection freebie, which you can download below, I go through 4 quick prompts. Number 1, what goals did I actually accomplish this year? Number 2, what didn't get done and why? Number 3, what needs to carry over into 2026? 4, and what am I ready to let go of completely? This part matters because sometimes we hold on to goals that just don't align with the season we're in anymore. Reflection helps me release that pressure before starting fresh. Step 2, set 2026 goals. Now we're setting our 2026 goals. I keep this part simple. No 20-step goal system. Just focus on the core areas of life that actually matter to you. I personally use 5 categories: personal, family, business, health, finances. Then I break them into quarters so I'm not chasing everything at once. Here's what my quarter one goals usually look like. Personal, rebuild healthy habits, get back into weight training. For family, plan 1 family outing per month. For business, launch spring campaigns plus finalize Q1 client content calendars. For health, it's focus on consistent sleep plus meal prepping. For finances is reviewing budgets and automate savings for the year. This keeps each month of quarter one tied to something very intentional. Step 3, January plan with me. Now that I know my goals, I plan out my January in my Productivity Prism paper planner. I do go back and forth between paper and digital, but I've been a paper girly for almost a year now. I absolutely love using my paper planner, but I do go back and forth depending on my mood. I start by marking out family dates, holidays, any launch dates or content filming weeks, any appointments or trips we may have planned. Then I go into my brain dump and list everything out in my head. I just use a good old-fashioned notebook for this. Work, home, content ideas, errands, absolutely no filter needed here. Once that's done, I categorize each one by brand or area of my life. Lux Marketing, my marketing agency, Amy June Lashes, which is my beauty brand, Productivity Prism, which is my productivity brand, YouTube, which is this beautiful channel, and then personal and home. From there, I highlight what must get done in January versus what I want to get done in January. Those are 2 very different things. We always tackle the musts first. Step 4, plan the first week of January. Once the month is laid out, I zoom into the first week of January. This is where things actually get done. I follow my top 3 method every day, my top 3 priorities, my main goal, and 1 home or family task, which is usually cleaning. Then I build my week around my non-negotiables first, like meetings, family time, deadlines. Next, I theme my days to keep my brain in the same lane. Sometimes it looks like breakdown by type of work. Sometimes it's breakdown by what the work is. So for example, Monday is generally client work and content creation. Tuesday is generally YouTube and YouTube planning and filming and voiceovers. Wednesday is generally more client work and catching up on anything. Thursday is my brand, so Amy June Lashes, Productivity Prism. Friday is admin, wrap up, and I generally do more client work as well. My marketing agency keeps me very busy. I'm so grateful. So that does trickle into each day, but the bulk of my work blocks, I like to keep consistently one specific thing or one specific area of my life. Hopefully that makes sense, but this keeps me productive without feeling scatterbrained. Step 5, paper versus digital planning. Now, if you prefer digital planning, here's what's different inside the Productivity Prism digital planner. It's perfect for iPad users who want everything linked and clickable. The only main difference is that the to-do lists aren't broken down by time like the paper version. Instead, it's more flexible for those who prefer checklists over time blocked to-do lists. I use both depending on my weeks. So paper when I need specific structure and I have a ton of tasks, and then the digital when I'm on the go or I have less to-dos to get done. Step 6. Now we're just going to bring it all together. By the end of this routine, I have 1, my 2025 reflections complete. Number 2, my 2026 goals mapped out by quarter. Number 3, my January plan is set up and ready to go. And number 4, my first week is already in motion and I know exactly what I need to be doing. This process keeps me focused, grounded, and really excited for a fresh start without feeling super overwhelmed. If you're setting up for 2026 too, grab the free reflection worksheet in the description box down below. It pairs perfectly with planning. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below what your biggest focus for 2026 is. I'd love to cheer you on. And if you're interested in any of the Productivity Prism planners, they will be linked also in the description box down below with a special little coupon code just for my YouTube viewers. Here's to a calm, productive, and meaningful start to the new year. Thank you for being here, and I will see you next year. Bye! Just kidding. I'll see you in a few days.